Today at Icing Images, we are so thankful for Icing Images premium icing sheets. They are an original sheet that is exclusive to Icing Images, so make sure that it says Icing Images on the packaging so you know you're getting a genuine Icing Images premium icing sheets. All right, so why are these so great? Well, let me tell you why. We've had these quite a while and they are so popular. Everyone who finds them falls in love with them. First of all, they have a little tab on the top, but if you notice, edge to edge printing. Take a look at this print. Edge to edge. You get more printing space and it fills up your cake a lot nicer. Now, we also have the easy peel backing. Sounds great, doesn't it? Gives you an acetate sheet to use for other things like piping on. And it tastes awesome. Has a vanilla flavor, just like all the other Icing Images products. Now, our Icing Images sheets come in different shapes. They come in the 8.5 by 11. They also come in the following sizes: 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 2 inch, 2 1/2, 3 inch, business card, 8 inch, legal size, and if you have a wide format printer, they also come in the A4 size as well for you. You can also use the iPrint program to print on the circles, just like this, to make beautiful images for cookies, cupcakes, Oreos, all kinds of things, just about anything you can think of. We even were able to use our iPrint program to bring in one of the eye designs, or the pretty little faces of my daughter. All right, so that's premium icing sheets from Icing Images. Print on them using our Icing Images iPrint program for free if you're an Icing Images customer, and see what the special is down below.